Zechariah 7 verse 9, this is what the Lord Almighty said, administer true justice, show mercy and compassion to one another. Ephesians 4 verse 32, be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as in Christ God forgave you. Colossians 3 verse 12, therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. 1 Peter 3 verse 8, finally, all of you, be like-minded, be sympathetic, love one another, be compassionate and humble. Luke 6 verse 36, be merciful, just as your Father is merciful. Lamentations 3 verses 22 to 23, because of the Lord's great love we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning, great is your faithfulness. Matthew 9 verse 36, when he saw the crowds, he had compassion on them, because they were harassed and helpless, like sheep without a shepherd. James 2 verse 13, because judgment without mercy will be shown to anyone who has not been merciful. Mercy triumphs over judgment. Isaiah 49 verse 13, shout for joy, you heavens, rejoice, you earth, burst into song, you mountains. For the Lord comforts his people and will have compassion on his afflicted ones. Psalm 145 verse 8, the Lord is gracious and compassionate, slow to anger and rich in love. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.